Okay. Okay, set up the form. Okay, everybody follow it, and you will also do the coding in your system. Okay, this small warning will not come. Okay, on check it. Okay, complete HTML. Yes, sir. Yep. Login will be the okay function. Na? Login then method symbol.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, though it take time, you can type it at least for one field, and gradually you'll be able to learn.
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Hmm?
I'm done.
No, you need to complete the form field also. How you will submit? And then, okay, you can stop share your screen. I let you.
Sir, I will stop share.
Okay. No, you need to complete it. You need to division in chip. You need to do complete. You don't need to do a complete.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if anybody done, good.
Sir, can I share my screen? Can you check it?
Okay, sir. I will stop
Okay, who is saying?
Sir, I'm Subhash.
Shuash. Okay, Shuash share your screen. Or you can match with the screen. I can share. Anyway. Okay, just make it blank. Okay, name could not be blank. Very good. It is working.
So what should I do next, sir?
Okay, so
How
it is working.
submit bottom is disabled.
Why? Because you give some value. But till you have given some value, till it is showing buttons are visible. Okay, on minute. Show me the code. So disable, we have written form dot. You had for what is a form name? Form name is a form dot invalid. A form dot in you need to write. Have you written this underline?
Where, sir?
This button line
What to write?
at the after division tag. Then form tag will be closed.
After division tag, sir, I can't understand. Where to write, sir?
No, you have given, you have already written. So it is yours. Button primary disable form invalid. Okay, can you share your screen again?
I'm sharing my screen, sir.
No, go to browser.
Okay.
In browser, you are writing character, but till it is showing submit is inactive.
Yes, sir. Still it is inactive.
It is on mute. Let me check.
Yes.
Sir, after this, can you share that bootstrap link code?
Bootstrap you have not added?
No, sir.
Okay, so Bootstrap actually in CSS, style.css you need to add, and Bootstrap you need to install also. Last day you may have
Yes,
not
sir.
done.
Actually, the last year was my
Okay,
native
okay.
network was
I'm sharing. Okay.
okay. Actually, sir, last year network was not available,
No issue.
and moreover, the broadband is connection has been back. It's only up to 3 hours only, sir. Work is going on, so I cannot see the video also.
Okay, it may happen.
Thank you.
Okay, these first things you need to install it. npm install bootstrap -- set. This is the first query when in your project path, current project path. Okay, you need to execute the first query. Yes, npm install bootstrap -- set. This query you need to execute first, then you can restart the VS code, then you can write this code in HTML CSS style.css file. Okay, is it working for other anybody? Next, you need to check app component.ts. You can stop share, Subhash. Check everything in the Subhash. Can you stop share? Okay, please check here. You have written everything properly. This is the you have created a form, and then a method is actually be. This is separate also. Okay, so who can share screen? Mega, can you share your screen?
Yes. So my laptop is slow. It will take time.
Anyway, it comes. Okay, form name. Oh, it is starting. Okay, can you now you can go to browser.
Sir, I haven't installed Bootstrap. I want to write.
You have not installed.
No, sir.
Okay. Till you can check in browser what is happening. In the browser. Okay, app component.ts, line number 27. App component TS, not here. What you have written? Get method influence. What happened? Okay, you import these things. Okay. Okay, what is the problem?
Line number 12, sir.
Line number 12, form group, form control, validators, validator. First you try to import validators, validators import. Next you need to import form control. Okay, anyway, it can you yes, form control. Form group you have you imported it? Not. So you need to import it, validators, form group, and form control. These all are in form. Form. Okay, module will fail. Module will fail from SSC list to terminal cross. Okay, can you show me the HTML page? You made the error free. Okay, very good. Okay, now okay, clean up and run. Clean and run in terminal section. You can delete this and create a new terminal.
Sir, I have to delete this.
No, not this error. Terminal section. It is showing some red message. Go to below. Got you can another terminal you can use. Okay, open a new terminal and you just try to run this application. You just try to run application. I want to see what is happening. Okay, have you written the command to start the application?
No, sir.
Okay, you need to ng sir, go to path and
Yes.
start ng sir. Entire day it was so hectic. I'm feeling tired. Okay, anyway, you do complete it at least on one field. Rest 2 field will be your home task.
So from NG server, it will take time.
You can stop share. Let me check in others also. Okay, stop share. Devajyoti, can you share your screen?
If I go to the browser,
Oh. Okay, now it is running. Okay, so in browser. Okay, is it working, Devajyoti? Is it working?
yes, it is working.
Working.
Yes.
Can you explain to everybody? Okay, can you explain to everybody? Explain to everybody also.
I think my Zoom has some problem because the sharing option is disabled.
Oh, okay, sure.
That's why I'm not showing the browsers actually.
Okay, share now enable. I have enabled it.
So still not coming. Actually.
Will not come. Ah, it is already given. 1 minute. Sharing option, I have given the permission. Okay, in share screen, click on share screen. There is a screen option. In the first is a screen option. You do it. Remove line number 18. So it will be two button.
Yes, another is resets.
You can use reset, but for timing you do not. Okay, just keep it on and you can check whether it is working, and every it is a validation for one field, is it working or not. So if it is working, you need to set up for 3 fields. Okay, remove this value, then submit. Our name is required, working. Okay, very good. This validation is working. Okay, so next task will be another for 2 fields you need to do.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
But sir, my submit button is not working.
I submit button is not working. Okay, can you give some value here? Give some value here. Is it working now? You have given.
Actually, my submit button, Subhash sir, my submit button is not working actually.
Yes, I am stop sharing.
Okay. Devajyoti, can you explain what you have done changes? So is it working for you? Go to code view.
In the first in the app module, I had forms module and React forms module, and then go to the app component, and then here write new form group. Variables are required and variables are minimum length 3, and then return digital form controls and method on customize submit and print that fashion, and import this from control from and validators, and then go to the HTML page and then write the HTML form. form group plus to form in the submit my submit method form group and type from control name id attribute type and class.
Actually, sir, he added another button class equals to button primary disabled, and in the line number 9 and line number 16 are the same.
No,
that
is
I
it
have.
same? You can remove. He can remove line number 16.
So
Sir, can you check it that your submit button is working on?
Oh,
not showing.
what happened? Button is done. Okay. Okay, give name is required. Okay, so give some value. Okay, it is some behaving not proper actually. Okay, 1 minute. Devajit, can you go to your code? Division button. Okay, if it is invalid, but it should be shown on div. Why do you have closed line number 8? Why do you have closed the division tag? Line number 8. Have you closed or not closed? That is the main reason actually it is button is not coming. Okay, all division should be proper way. Okay, right click and do the format document. Right click format document. Format document. Move. Go to browser now. Okay, have you saved everything? Okay, give value, give some value. How it is disabled? Button is not enabled here. That is the question.
Sir,
You go to
in his case, submit button is not, submit button is gone, and in my case, submit button is not working. It is showing in the browser, but the button is
Sir,
not working.
tell me.
sir, the button should be out of div.
Button should be
Out of div. Yes, he created a division file and for that reason,
1
sir.
minute. 1 minute. If you give the button in the if clause, then how button will be there? Button inside the if clause. Okay, because that div line number 6 division started, so it is inside if clause. So your if condition is not successful, then in that case it should be line number 12.
Yes.
It should be line number. Okay.
Sir, I have completed the whole code.
Is it
As well as,
working?
no, sir. One import file is saying that I have done all the thing. At first, check the person is showing.
Okay.
After that, I'm showing the.
Okay,
I'm
1
sharing
minute.
this.
You just cut line number 9 and paste at 11. Okay, 1 minute. Let's check this division.
After that, not after that. That's after line number 12. That will be in the div clause. It will not show.
Before the closing from tag.
Yes, yes. Then it will show the button. Or you can show the button by using the CSS tag, the form flex or the container flex, and it will show the button under div.
Now go to browser. Is it working properly? So it is working properly. Okay. Okay, so everybody do this first, and then you will do experiment for another 2-3 fields, another 2 fields. But everybody today at least be habituated. So learn what are the things we have done. We have added reactive form modules. We have added form groups, form control, form groups in component section. Then we have done after some changes in HTML page, and finally that button is getting activated if it is not valid, if it is invalid. So if it is not invalid but it is valid, then in that case button will be disactive. Okay, you can we can do much more experiment here. And all of you do this part.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share. Oh, I feel too much exhausted
Sir,
actually.
I
The day
just see
outside.
this line, sir.
Huh.
Import these instances from constant. This line, how it can
Import
be visible?
SSL of remove this line. Remove this line.
Okay, sir.
It is not required at all.
Okay, sir.
Save. Okay, what it is? Can you scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Scroll up a little bit. What it is? What happened here? Okay, in terminal, can you scroll up?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Scroll up terminal, quick. What is happening? Okay, scroll terminal. Terminal, okay, what it is showing here? For only that small changes, so you do mode up. I'm asking you. Can you give me control?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm also getting this same error.
Okay. Oh, no issue. The error failed. SSL OP allow usage legacy regeneration. Okay, all of you are facing this error. Can you send this message to in Zoom chat? I need to check.
Sir, I will copy this message.
Just you copy these things. These
Okay,
errors.
sir. Okay, sir.
SSL
Sir,
just
up to this.
up to this. Up.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have
Give
to
in chat
stop
box.
share. Yes, I have to stop share first.
Okay, share in chat box.
Yes, sir. Shared already.
Small print open SSL. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, there is so many Google hints there. Okay, one things actually, one request to all of you, actually not able to sit actually properly. So all of you do keep coding there. If any problem happen, we can tomorrow we will solve. Okay.
Sure. No problem, sir.
Okay, tomorrow again we are going to sit and we'll solve it. Okay, and in between all of you do some troubleshooting also. You can go through, you can do some troubleshooting. Even you can also bring out the solution also. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, so we are closing here today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay.
Good night.